Hello everyone, this is Lunda TV guys. Today it was raining all the day or all morning in Sweden, so I just wanted to show you guys uh, we have like nice green trees, leaves growing again, and I want to show you guys my backyard. Yes, see the trees like this. Yeah, let me show you guys. We have rain weather today. For those who are in my channel, welcome guys. It's me, Lunda TV, Sweden. Thank you for those who are new in my channel, those who are subscribing still. Please don't think that I'm not watching others' videos. This is my yard, backyard guys. I just live in these apartments here. Like I told you before guys, in Sweden sometimes we don't go around shooting videos, but I want to show you our backyard. Yeah, it's still raining. You can see my hands. See guys, yeah. The grass are green. We have a bird net. Yeah. This is my backyard. So let's go around guys. Some of us, they like to stick have a barbecue here, this area, and children can play in the sun. We have benches there, and this tree, we have different color of this tree. Some of them are like yellow, some of them the leaves or the flowers are yellow, and this is white. Look at this guy. See? It's not smelling, but one day I will show you another trees with nice flowers, nice smell. Yeah, barbecue here. Yeah, we have like children can play here. We have a ball, football, I mean. And then sometime we have pigeon in the morning. We give them food. Yeah, this is like our yard, backyard here around. Let me show you other places. We have a huge kid places to play, and a place for the children to play anyway. I'm trying, it's rainy, yeah, still a little bit dropping. Yeah, it's green. If you have a carpet, you can just come out and put it there and then start beating it to take off the dust and hang it there. Yeah. Our children, they like to play in this playground. See? I just come there from there. And the relax bench. Lunda TV guys. Good morning at this vlog. Good morning, BC. I am Boni. Good morning, everyone. I'm showing you around. It's raining. The weather is like this. The sky is very dull. Dark like that. You can see the image. Even the camera is not shooting well, maybe. Yeah. This is a playground for the children. Yeah. Let me take you another place where the children used to play. And they like it. This is sand, guys. Very clean. Yeah. The children can take it even in the mouth. Yeah, but anyway, do you know the children, they can eat everything. It's okay for the children. I'm Bonnie. What do you think? Playground for my youngest. Look at this area. Yeah. See? You can see this tree already green, huh, guys? We have different colors here of flowers. Blue. This one are blue. Yeah. Very nice. If you are with the kids playing there, you chill. Guys, it's raining a little bit. You can see my jacket now. Starts waiting. So anyway, let me take you this side. The rule of the game is not changing for those who comes and go. I subscribe in your channel, you have to subscribe back. You subscribe in my channel, I have to subscribe in your channel. You know, you comment of my videos and you press notification bells, and then yeah, we go from there. You see, guys, look at this, white and yellow. What do you think? See that? See the color? For those who love colors, look at this, white, yellow. Starts raining. Yeah, we have these trees. They can bear fruits, and then one day I will show you when it's ready to eat. I don't know the name of the fruits, but anyway, some things, those who like farming, they know the names of the fruits. All I know is mango, ananas, and they call it pineapple, something like that. Yeah, look at this, like baskets. Yeah, we have wild pigeon there. You see them? The two of them there. Yeah, guys, I like this tree. I eat from this tree sometimes because it's like sweetie. This one a little bit, yeah. See, people eat from this tree, the fruits from this tree. All of this one, the bear fruits, and then there's another one behind there. We like that. Oh, I like that. Yeah, it's like, yeah, pork. This side also. There are many buildings here, and for those who have seen my previous video, we have different buildings and then different place for the kids to play. Like you see this sand, and then we have like playground for the children, and they have in this area this barbecue place. For those who are asking, you see why it's clean in Sweden? Because people cannot throw garbage or papers on the ground. You see, look at that. And then Monday to Saturday, or Monday to Friday, people work. Look at that. You have like some place to throw it. You see 3 of them. See, look at this. See 1, and then 2, and then you see 3. So even yourself, if you have a can of juice or something, you feel shame to throw it, you know. And then this one is like a bench. I eat from this tree, yes. This one have a sweet fruit. They are the same from that one. See, guys, look at the colors. You see, red, white, magic. Look at this. I like to eat from this tree. I will try to find the name. Look at this, and then I will tell you guys the name of the fruit. In Swedish we call it lingon, something like that, lingon. But anyway, I'll try to find the name of the fruit. Yeah. Lunda TV guy, Stockholm. It's raining a little bit. It was raining all the day. Yeah. I would like to show you this tree, guys. The leaves are red, different colors. Look at that. Pose of my camera. Yeah. Let me show you this playground, and then I have to go because it's raining, guys. Stockholm, Sweden, Lunda TV, guys. For those who are new in my channel, thank you for watching. Remember, go back, check if I am in your channel. Show some love, guys. It's about love. See, there's no space for the haters. Like, you see that? You can throw there. In the same area we have like 3 there, 4. Now you see BC 247. What's up, Chicago? Yeah, look at this one. It's like a boat. Yeah, this one is very nice for the children. Let me go out from here to show you guys. Now it starts raining completely. Look at that. You see, like a boat, guys. Yeah, look at that. See? Yeah. Lunda, can you see that, guys? Okay. And the garbage basket, or what call it? You know yourself what I'm trying to explain here. Look at that. See that? Yeah. Thank you guys for your support. See that? Another one, huh? That's why it's clean like this. You guys. Okay, thank you for watching Lunda TV, guys. The weather, it's raining. One love, peace and love. Lunda TV, guys. I am out.